Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Artificial intelligence, AI, has immense potential to revolutionize industries and transform lives. AI technology is rapidly evolving and has an impact on virtually every aspect of human life, from personalized recommendations on streaming services to self-driving cars. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, AI could contribute up to $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. In this video, we will explore the power of AI, its applications across various industries, and the important considerations that must be addressed to ensure its responsible and effective use. Number 1. Introduction to AI. AI is a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Unlike traditional software programs, AI systems can learn from data, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks autonomously without human intervention. Machine learning enables machines to learn and improve over time without being explicitly programmed, while deep learning uses neural networks to recognize patterns and make predictions. Number 2. Applications of AI in various industries. AI is transforming many industries by providing new capabilities. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images and detect diseases with high accuracy, and chatbots and virtual assistants can provide patients with personalized health advice and help manage chronic conditions. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and reduce transportation costs. In finance, AI is being used to improve fraud detection, automate routine tasks, predict market trends, and offer personalized investment advice. In marketing, AI is used for customer segmentation, targeted advertising, and personalized recommendations. AI-powered chatbots are being used in customer service to provide quick and accurate responses to customers' inquiries. Retail companies are also using AI to personalize their marketing campaigns and offer customized product recommendations to customers. The potential of AI to revolutionize almost every aspect of our lives is undeniable. However, it is important to understand not only the benefits of AI but also the challenges and ethical considerations that come with its use. Number 3. Considerations for responsible and effective use of AI. As AI technology continues to evolve and become more widespread, it is important to address the ethical considerations and potential risks associated with its use. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI systems, which can perpetuate discrimination and exacerbate social inequalities. Another consideration is the impact of AI on employment, as automation can lead to job displacement and changes in the workforce. To ensure the responsible and effective use of AI, it is crucial to prioritize transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems. This includes providing clear explanations of how AI systems make decisions, ensuring data privacy and security, and allowing for human oversight and intervention when necessary. In addition, it is important to address the potential for misuse of AI, such as in the development of autonomous weapons or the use of facial recognition technology for surveillance. Regulations and ethical guidelines can help mitigate these risks and ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and transform lives in countless ways. However, it is important to approach its development and use with caution, taking into account the potential risks and ethical considerations to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and effective manner. Now that you've learned about the incredible potential of AI and its transformative impact on various industries, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with a fun and engaging quiz. Get ready to challenge yourself and see how much you've learned. Question 1. What does AI stand for? A. Artificial interference. B. Algorithmic intelligence. C. Artificial intelligence. D. Automatic improvement. The correct answer is C. Artificial intelligence. Question 2. What is the main difference between AI and traditional programming? A. AI requires less computational power. B. AI is more efficient in handling big data. C. AI is based on decision trees. D. There is no difference. The correct answer is B. AI is more efficient in handling big data. Question 3. Which industry is not yet significantly impacted by AI? A. Healthcare. B. Finance. C. Education. D. Agriculture. The correct answer is D. Agriculture. Question 4. What is one of the main benefits of using AI in healthcare? A. Increased medical errors. B. Decreased efficiency. C. Improved patient outcomes. D. Decreased patient satisfaction. The correct answer is C. Improved patient outcomes. Question 5. What is the name of the AI technology that simulates human conversation? A. Deep learning. B. Machine learning. C. Natural language processing. D. Computer vision. The correct answer is C. Natural language processing. Question 6. Which country has the highest number of AI startups? A. China. B. USA. C. Japan. D. India. The correct answer is A. China. Question 7. What is the biggest challenge of implementing AI in business? A. High implementation costs. B. Finding the right talent. C. Legal and ethical concerns. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 8. Which type of AI can understand unstructured data such as text and images? A. Reinforcement learning. B. Deep learning. C. Supervised learning. D. Unsupervised learning. The correct answer is B. Deep learning. Question 9. What is the biggest risk associated with using AI? A. Job displacement. B. Increased efficiency. C. Higher profits. D. Better decision making. The correct answer is A. Job displacement. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of AI in the transportation industry? A. Autonomous vehicles. B. Self-driving bicycles. C. Flying cars. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Autonomous vehicles. As we conclude this lesson on artificial intelligence, we hope that you've gained valuable insights on the definition of AI, its various applications, benefits, and risks. As we move towards a future shaped by AI, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and ethical considerations that come with it. Your awareness and understanding of these issues can help us create a more responsible and inclusive society. Share your thoughts and comments on AI in the comments section below. Your feedback inspires us to create more educational content and better serve your needs. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, share it with your friends who might be interested in AI, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for being a part of our community. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.